Today we're going to be talking about my floating solar panel station. Alright, let's take a look. As we all know, green energy is very important today. We want to minimize fossil fuel burning because it causes a lot of pollution and greenhouse gases. Now, one of the biggest problems with it is, I believe, is not only the greenhouse gases, which a lot of people dispute, which is unlikely. It's likely it's true, but it's possible. But what you can't dispute is the pollution. And if you look at a lot of the lung association literature, you'll see that pollution across the United States is some states, especially like Philadelphia area, New York, LA, smog, not good. There are a lot of other alternatives, and I understand industry dictates a lot of this, but over time it's nice to move into clean. So let's take a look at the clean energy idea. So what this is it's designed to generate electricity. So this would float in the ocean, and this right here is a solar panel, and this right here keeps it afloat. These balls are hollow, so it's buoyant and floats. So you have the surface area of all this. Now what's good about this design is that it's structurally stable, because pyramid shape is very strong structure. If you notice, the pyramid's still around. When you go into a structure with a right angle, that's where the failure can happen. But when you use a pyramid shape, a lot more stability. So there's another view. Here's a solar panel. You see one of these hooks, it's the anchor. You put a rope in here with a weight, and it keeps this in place. Other views, top view, side view, the bottom, there's the bottom. So I really don't see there being any reason technologically why we couldn't mass produce this. It's just political will. Cost, solar panel costs are dropping. So, you know, I know you got to balance out the economy with jobs. I'm not saying let's ditch coal and all that, but I'm saying let's get the ball rolling, because it's a finite resource, and this is pretty viable. Well, alright guys, hope you liked my invention. Peace.